Guys, today I'm gonna show how to remove the DPF and remove DPF, clean up if you need, but main thing is just how to remove at home DPF. Let's start from the top. Of course, that one for me is already removed it, and I'm just gonna show how is the fitted in there, the heat shield. It's 2 bolts here, 2 bolts there. Let's say one here, one here, one here, one here. It fits there, there, here, and here. Unbolting this bolt, and of course you need to first unbolt the lambda sensor, but you can go through this hole because you cannot wiggle out. You need first unbolt that, and later heat shield coming out. First job. Next, about the bottom. You can remove that from all the plastics out, all clip it in these areas. You just need to take out the clips and on the bottom bolt. Very easy. You can do that at home on the lift or on the jackets, whatever which is preferred or what you have at home. Work on the top first, a little bit. Here, a little bit here, 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 that's it. And let's start removing. One, two, 3 bolts done, EGR done, disconnected, second temperature disconnected. I'm gonna put into here. Now let's go down. Okay. Unbolting exhaust, unbolting this bolt, and unbolt this bracket. After, take pray bar and pray this exhaust from the DPF and just lift from the top, and that's it.